Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 136. If we start with this column, we're missing 5 and 9. We've got a 5 here, so 9, 5. For this column, we're missing 1, 3, and 6. We've got a 1 here, so 3, 6, 3 here, so 1, 6. 1 here, so 3, 6. That means the only place our 1 can be is here. If we look at this row, we're missing 3, 6, and 7. We've got a 3 and 7 covering this box, so that makes this our 6, 3, 7, and that 3 makes this our 6. For this box now, we're missing 2 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 2, 6. For this box, we're missing 1, 2, and 5. We've got a 1 here and a 5 here, so this is our 2. That 5 makes this our 1, 5. For this row, we're missing 1 and 6. We've got a 1 here, so 6, 1. For this column now, we're missing 4, 7, and 8. We've got a 4 here and a 7 here, so this is our 8. 7 here, so 4, 7. For this box now, we're missing 3 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 3, 8. For this column, we're missing 2, 6, and 9. We've got 2 and 6 here, so this is our 9. And that 2 makes this our 6, 2. For this row, we're missing 3, 4, and 6. We've got 4 and 6 covering this box, so this is our 3. Six here, so 4, 6. For this box now, oh, nope, we ended up with 2 6s. That's not right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This should be should be 3, 4, and 8. We've got an 8 here, so that makes this our 4 and 8. For this box now, we're missing a 5. For this box, we're missing 1, 6, and 9. We've got a 6 and 9 here, so this is our 1. 6 here means this is our 9, 6. For this bottom row, we're missing 4, 8, and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 4, 8. 4 covering both of these boxes, 8 here. Means this is our 5. That 4 makes this our 8. And our 4. For this box now, we're missing, we've done it again. Now we have 2 5s here and 2 5s here. So this should have been, you know what, I think I'm making too many mistakes on this one. So we will try again tomorrow. Leave a comment down below if you saw where I made a mistake of the many mistakes that I made today. Anyway, thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.